Hey everyone, it's Julian. It is day 13, I think, of me documenting my programming journey. It's Wednesday, March 2nd at 6:04 a.m. Let's get into it. For those of you who have not seen this vlog before, I'm taking the Ultimate Portfolio App course on the Hacking with Swift website. In this course, we're designing an app that allows the user to track their progress learning a new skill. And the skills that they're learning are called projects, and the projects can be created by the user, edited by the user, and then we also have items that belong to those projects. So for example, if you wanted to have a project where you want to learn guitar, an item might be buy guitar lessons, etc, etc, etc. So that's what this app is all about. Today, we're finally getting into organizing a lot of the code that we've written along the way. A lot of it has not been optimal, and I'm looking forward to that because that's some of the stuff I've been most curious about. Where are things supposed to go versus where they can go? What's the most desired way to do things usually? I guess I'm gonna find some of that out today. I really enjoyed this lesson. It was about cleaning up our views to make sure our logic was more properly organized and not mucking things up and blah, blah, blah. Let's check it out. So the big reason behind reorganizing our code in the way that we did is because we want to have as little going on in the body property of our views as possible. We don't want to have a whole bunch of logic and a whole bunch of different stuff clogging up our body properties, because the body properties already have so much work to do on their own in deciding how our layout looks and drawing things and blah, 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 blah. So an example of how we did this was, instead of having these two toolbar buttons, which are the up and down arrows in the app on the projects pages, so we have this to filter things and we have this to add a project. Instead of having all of the logic for each of these buttons like we did before, all of this stuff in our body property in the toolbar right here, we broke them up into computed properties that return toolbar content, and they have all of our toolbar item and logic and functions right there within our view, which is pretty great because now it's a lot easier to look at our body property and understand what is going on. I could say this is our body property, this is what we're seeing on screen, this is our toolbar, which means it's what we're seeing at the top, and then we also have computed properties, which is what's being shown within that toolbar. If I want to say, hey, what's add project toolbar item, I just have to look for add project toolbar item, but usually I probably won't need to go that deep into it. I'll just want to see what's there and I'll instantly remember what add project toolbar item is. And later, if I want, I could reuse that code in other places. So it's really great. It's a cool way to have everything more organized and be able to scroll through long code files and instantly know what you're looking at. Now, the last lesson for the day that I'm gonna do, and I definitely won't get all the way through it because it's 7:38. I have to get ready for work soon. But the next thing I'm going to do is check out this FAQ video that he has, which is a series of questions that he's received from people who have taken this course. So I'm gonna check probably about half of that out now, not even, because it's 46 minutes long, and some of the other stuff out at work. So that's all from me for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.